Free will versus determinism delves into a foundational philosophical debate about the nature of human choice and action. Free will posits that individuals actively and autonomously make decisions, uninfluenced by prior causes. In contrast, determinism suggests that all events, including human actions, are predetermined and inevitable. It argues that every decision or action we make is the result of a cause, whether known or unknown. This debate is central to many aspects of our lives, from simple everyday choices to profound moral and ethical decisions. It determines how we view accountability, responsibility, and justice. If free will is true, we are wholly responsible for our actions. If determinism prevails, our actions are simply the result of preceding events. Free will supporters posit that we possess the power of choice. We can decide what to eat for breakfast, whether to go to the gym, or take a different route to work. These choices, they argue, are free from any external or internal constraints. Determinists, however, argue that these choices are not as independent as they appear. They believe that our decisions are influenced by a plethora of external factors such as our upbringing, our environment, and even our genetic makeup. To them, our choices are nothing more than the product of these influences. On the surface, free will and determinism seem incompatible. How can our actions be both free and predetermined? This paradox has led philosophers to propose a third option known as compatibilism. Compatibilists argue that free will and determinism can coexist. They believe that while our actions might be determined, we can still act freely if our actions align with our desires and values. In practical terms, compatibilism implies that while we might not have complete free will, we still have a degree of control over our actions. For example, if someone chooses to go for a run because they value health and fitness, this action, although influenced by their values, is still a free choice. This philosophical debate also has profound implications for our legal and justice systems. If free will is true, people should be held accountable for their actions. If determinism holds, it would be unjust to punish someone for actions they had no control over. This conundrum is a central issue in legal philosophy. At the heart of the free will versus determinism debate is the question of human nature. Are we autonomous beings capable of making independent choices, or are we simply products of our environment and genetics? The debate between free will and determinism is a profound and complex one. It challenges our understanding of human nature, our concepts of right and wrong, and our belief in personal responsibility. Whether you lean towards free will, determinism, or compatibilism, this debate undoubtedly shapes your worldview and your understanding of your own actions.